Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 McLaren 720S, a supercar that pushes the boundaries of design, performance, and luxury. Let's start by taking in its breathtaking exterior. The body is a masterpiece of engineering crafted with lightweight carbon fiber for maximum efficiency and speed. Every curve, every contour serves a purpose, from the aggressive front splitter to the functional air intakes sculpted into the body. The dihedral doors not only look incredible but also enhance aerodynamics by directing air away from its forward insertion with a strong breeze. The striking LED headlights resemble the focused gaze of a predator, while the sleek rear lights blend seamlessly with the rear diffuser, emphasizing the car's high-performance capabilities. And that retractable spoiler? It's not just for show, it adjusts dynamically for better handling and stability at high speeds. Power is audibly present with the twin exhaust outlets mounted high at the rear, releasing a symphony from McLaren's 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. With 720 horsepower and a blistering 0 to 60 time of just 2.8 seconds, this car is built to dominate the road and the track. The 720S offers 3 drive modes: Comfort, Sport, and Track, each tweaking the car's proactive chassis control to suspension for a tailored driving experience. Combined with its advanced aerodynamics and lightweight construction, the McLaren 720S delivers an unrivaled balance of speed and agility. Interior design. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that perfectly blends luxury with functionality. The driver-seeking cockpit ensures everything is within reach. The steering wheel is uncluttered, letting you focus entirely on the driving experience. Behind it lies a retractable digital instrument display that shifts into a minimalist mode during track use, displaying only essential data. The seats are sculpted for both comfort and support, wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara. The minimalist center console houses a portrait-style touchscreen, giving you access to McLaren's infotainment system, navigation, and climate controls. But it's not all about technology. The cabin is also a celebration of craftsmanship, with exposed carbon fiber accents and custom stitching that reflect McLaren's attention to detail. The panoramic roof floods the interior with natural light, enhancing the sense of space while reminding you that you're in a car designed for both luxury and performance. The 2025 McLaren 720S isn't just a car. It's a statement of what's possible when cutting-edge technology, world-class engineering, and timeless design come together. This is McLaren at its finest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite feature of the McLaren 720S.